Welcome to the slop farm. Enjoy the video.
You begin by laying in simple shapes so proportions stay true. Draw a small oval for the head and a larger, tilted oval for the body. This keeps balance. Then add a light guideline for the beak and a tail axis to set direction. Place a tiny pivot mark where the wing will attach. Keep lines loose and light so you can refine later. Once done, you'll have a scaffold to build accurate details quickly and confidently. Now refine the scaffold into anatomy. Define the eye slightly forward on the head and draw the beak as a narrow curved triangle. This creates the characteristic profile. Smooth the body ovals into flowing contours, adding a chest bulge and tail feather guides for rhythm. For the wings, sketch overlapping arcs indicating primary and secondary feathers, vary lengths to imply motion. Make sure to erase intersecting construction lines as you go, because clean edges will make shading and patterning easier later. Finish by adding texture and value to sell the form. Use short, directional strokes for body feathers and longer, layered strokes for the wing primaries. Follow the feather flow so the bird reads as aerodynamic. Pick a light source and darken underbody and wing undersides while leaving highlights on the head and back to create depth. Once satisfied, erase remaining guides, sharpen the beak tip, and place a small catchlight in the eye. If proportions look off, reduce or enlarge the head-to-body ratio by small adjustments before finalizing.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.